Alright, there you go. On its way to Israel. Just now leaving Asheville right now, driving myself down to Charlotte. You know what I'm saying? Wish me luck, y'all. Make sure that I make it down there safe. No troubles, y'all know what I mean? Well, I guess I'll check in with you when I get down to the airport. This kind of sucks. Excuse me, I just spilled Monster all over my pants. The only pair of pants I have until I get to Israel, and they're wet with and gonna be sticky with Monster all over them. That sucks. It's all over me. I'm sitting there, wasn't paying attention, having a good time, Monster in my hand, you know what I'm saying, grooving to the music, and this hand, bow, knocks it, turns it all over my pants, all over my crotch area, all over everywhere. Let's see, we started at 8 o'clock in the morning. Now we're finally on our way to Tel Aviv.
Actually, he and I are working together on it.
They said 10 hours, I say 11. Couple more drinks and it'd probably be like 4 hours to me because I'll end up drinking and I'll all falling asleep. 5 hours gone, I'll be up in a minute. Let me check back in with you guys when I get there. Mental note. This is the first time I've ever done this. It's been pretty retarded. I feel kind of stupid. I have no taggings on my bag. Not at all. I don't even barely know what my bag looks like. There goes my sister's friend. You know what I'm saying? I'm here. Customs through Israel was absolutely nothing. Coming back to America, I might have more problems. She wants to take a picture of us, so here we go. I just was informed that Mount Carmel.
Okay. See you soon.
I don't know if you guys can really see it. That's the beginning of Mount Carmel. What's all that stuff? What are they? I know that's some kind of. What are those plants out there? Yeah, the banana fields. Right, wait a minute, y'all got every kind of fruit out here?
Every kind of fruit.
Every kind of fruit. That's our driver right there. Every kind of fruit, everything is out here. We got olives. I don't really know how, because they got, wait a minute. I guess we are tropical. We are tropically.
This is desert.
This is
Mediterranean.
Let me explain it my way. It's tropically in the desert. Because how can you not say it's tropical here and you got palm trees everywhere?
Yeah, but tropical is like rain.
The left side,
jungle.
there is kibbutz.
No, then that's jungle.
Tropical jungles.
Yeah. It's a tropical desert.
There you go.
I'm documenting my trip in Israel too, so that's one thing. Sitting there explaining my videos. Yeah, right there.
But he said you know that you already.
Well, no, we had actually planned having my sister talk because I was like a week before. I was like, yeah, that'd be crazy if we had someone from like different places call in. Because the first time we did it was with Alan.
Yeah.
Now I had an epiphany. I was like, yeah, we're gonna have someone call in.
Yeah.
And so it brings everyone together more. And then like 5 minutes before she called, I had just gotten off the phone from California talking about the same exact quotes. And then I broke it down even a little bit more off those quotes. The same quotes, I mean, you'll hear them in a minute, is I have people like actually rap about them quotes. Put music behind them and then they start rapping about them. So,
Got it.
yeah. Just off of 2 quotes too, it's kind of crazy. So this is everybody right now. They're all enjoying the video.
And eating cupcakes.
We just ate some spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
No, lasagna, excuse me. And we're watching the video with Kara. Talking. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
I met some really cool people tonight. Well, this isn't very much of a fucking beach. I'm saying I don't see any sand. This is what they call a beach out here. You know what I'm saying? Where's the sand? Where's the women? Ain't nothing. Nothing at all. It's rocks. Well, that's the Mediterranean, guys. Alright. I'm already a little out of breath. I just walked up this hill. Can't really see it's a hill. I'm gonna walk to the very top of the hill. Can't even see the top. I'm gonna show you the first little part I'm gonna go through. You see it? You see that big shrine in the middle? Yeah, that's halfway. I am now halfway. Here, this is a better view of the second half. I had to stop right here, because if you listen carefully, I'm way in Israel, right? And I can hear Chingy. I like the way you do it right there. Listen. It's coming from that direction. I like the way you do it right there. Well, I made it to the top. This is what I'm doing. We're rolling these carpets. The video.
I'm just rolling the carpets.
There goes Peter right there.
I'm just doing this business. Hi, Robert.
I hear a whole bunch of little rawr, rawr. I was wondering what it was. Now, I no longer have to wonder. They're peacocks. So this is where Bahá'u'lláh was what?
This is where he stayed.
This is where he stayed. Well, it's not that small of a house. It made it seem like it was a little shack.
Really?
Yeah, this is a house, Kara. This is bigger than, this is not that bad. You get to go inside?
No. Yeah, it's closed up. You can go when you're on pilgrimage next year.
Well, first you have to become a Baha'i.
Yeah, let's go on pilgrimage. Look at that.
So this is the meal?
Yeah, this is the mill complex that they're going to restore. One of them is going to be working. Will actually be functioning.
Okay. So Kara, explain what you were explaining to me about the tides. So the conversation started with how everything is financed, because it's pretty a big project right here that it was pretty big actually. And I asked my sister how did they finance everything, and she said that what?
It's all from donations from the Baha'is around the world, and so each Baha'i contributes to the Baha'i fund, you know, however much they want. In addition to that, there's the law of Bahá'u'lláh, which is basically that everybody has their income, and if you earn at least, I think it's something like the equivalent of $1,000 a year or something, what you do is you pay all of your basic necessities. And so let's take something easy like $100. Let's say all of your basic necessities, which are food, clothing, school, anything that you must pay, is shelter, all of the very necessities of life. Let's say that takes up, of your $100, let's say that takes up $50. And then you have $50 of play money. This is what you use to go on vacation. This is what, you know, your extra money, right? Non-expenses. So of that $50 that you have of extra money, you give 19% of that to the Baha'i. You give that as a payment to the Baha'i community for Bahá'u'lláh, and you pay it to the center here in Haifa, and then they use it for the development of the holy places and preservation of all these holy.
So now we're on our way to Baji.
Yes, which is a place of delight.
We're on our way to Baji. Explain where we're going.
We're going to the Shrine of Baha'u'lláh, which is the resting place of the founder of the Baha'i faith. and it is Erik's first visit ever.
And it's Nowruz.
And it's Nowruz, the Baha'i New Year. So we're very delighted to have him here with us at this most special time. So here we are, we're at the Bachi Visitor Center.
Talk normal though, like you're not being filmed.
Okay, so this is a Bachi Visitor Center, and you can see right through here, people are right now breaking the fast, which has been going on for 19 days from sunup to sundown. And tonight is the eve of the Baha'i New Year. This is the Bachi Visitor Center. This is where Baha'i pilgrims and visitors will come to, you know, take refreshment and use the facilities before they go to the shrine of Bahá'u'lláh. And it's mainly a gathering point. People will come to study and read books and stuff here.
And Jared, it's all in Carolina blue and white.
Souls, I know I have to keep my voice down because we're approaching the shrine. The concourse on high are the souls that have ascended to heaven, and they are a certain chosen group among them who basically their mission is to kind of watch out and guide the people on this earth. And so they say that the concourse on high circles around this most holy spot on earth, because the Baha'is believe this spot is the most holy spot on earth. And so it's full of spiritual potency and power, and through the fact that Baha'u'llah's remains are here and that this concourse on high is here and everything, it makes it a very, very intense place.
You heard it first. But to millions across the world, this is a dream come true. We're sitting there watching the sun rise.
One time, take your friends and girlfriends, come in Israel, and very nice here. I love it.
When was the last time you saw the sun rise?
Sunrise?
Yeah.
Every morning.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did and you want to learn more about my trip when I was in Israel, yeah, so if you want to learn more, there's the book